Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn EVS lesson number 1, My Family, from book 1. We have already discussed on this lesson in Google Meet. So carefully listen the video and try to understand what is my family. Let's start. Read the poem and discuss it. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's selfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. So in this poem we understand about what is family. Family is nothing but it is loving, means loving each other, doing something for other family members. There are brothers and sisters in family, mother, father, and it is unselfish. There is no selfishness in the family members. They do everything for each other. They are kind while sharing their things, whatever it is, with family members, and also show the love to each other. They are also caring for each other. So this is poem on the family. We'll discuss what is family. We all live in a family. A family is a group of people related to each other. A family has a father, a mother, and children. A family lives in a house. A happy family makes a house a beautiful home. So what is family? Family is a group of people. They are related to each other. And also they make a beautiful home when we are living together. Then only the home looks beautiful. Now we'll discuss what are types of family. There are 4 types of family: small family, large family, joint family, single parent family. These are the 4 types. First we'll see what is small family. Small family is also called a nuclear family. There is only one father, mother, and 1 or 2 child. While large family, there are grandparents also with father, mother and their children. Grandfathers are also there in the large family. Now what is joint family? In joint family, there are uncle and aunts also living together with parents, grandparents, their children, and uncle, aunt and cousins. It is also called a large family. They support each other. When there is a joint family, they support each other when there are some difficult situations. So this is a good point of joint family. Now single parent family, there is only one parent, either mother or father. That is known as single parent family. Now what is relationships in a family? So we have relationships with our family members. What is our relation with our father and mother? They are our parents. Father's parents are called as paternal parents, grandparents. Mother's parents are called as maternal. This you can remember by mother, yum, and maternal also begins from yum. Maternal grandparents. Fathers and mothers' brothers are called as uncles. Fathers and mothers' sisters are called as aunts. Aunts and uncles' children are called our cousin. So this is the relationship between family members. Now what is family tree? A family tree shows how the members of family are related to each other. Okay, so there is a tree diagram. I told you to do this for homework. Your grandparents, parents, you, your brothers and sisters form 3 different generations. So there are generations. Grandparents एक generation, parents एक generation, आणि तुमचा एक generation. So like this there are 3 generations. Now looking like each other. Yes, आपण कुठल्या ना कुठल्या कुणाच ना कुणासारखं दिसत असतो, either मम्मीसारखं किंवा पप्पांसारखं. So that is nothing but looking like each other. फिजिकल फीचर्स आर कॉमन, लाईक केस आपले सारखे असतात, डोळे सारखे असतात, नाक सारखंच असतं. तो दॅट इज फिजिकल फीचर. आपण कुठून ना कुठून आपल्या मम्मी पप्पांसारखं दिसत असतो. ऑल्सो बोलण्याची पद्धत, चालण्याची पद्धत, द वे ऑफ वॉकिंग, द वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग, द वे ऑफ डुईंग थिंग्स, रायटिंग, द वे ऑफ sitting, these are also common. It is like our father or mother only, we take it from them. Also parents, whatever they do, that profession we like to. If your parents are teachers, you like to be teacher. If your parents are doctor, you like to be doctor. So that is also same in parents and children. So looking like each other means some features are common in parents and their children. Now what is the role of parents? So parents do everything for us. Without parents we are helpless. So they give us healthy food, clothes, they give us safe and comfortable home, they give us good school and education. They also care and comfort, give comfort to us whenever we are not well, help in studying, learning. They also teach us moral values and good manners. लाईक चांगले संस्कार देतात ते आपल्याला. कुणाला उलटं बोलायचं नाही, कुणावरती चिडायचं नाही, शांत राहायचं, हे चांगले मॉरल व्हॅल्यूज, रिस्पेक्ट करायचं, हे सगळे मॉरल व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला आपल्या पॅरेंट्सकडूनच मिळतात. सो दीज आर द गुड थिंग्स विच पॅरेंट्स शेअर विथ अस ऑर प्रोव्हाइड टू अस, or provide to their children. So this is the role of our parent. Now role of grandparents. Now grandparents love and protect their grandchildren. See, whenever there are grandparents in our house, so we feel very happy. Aji, aji, azoba, azoba. So we are very happy that time whenever they are in the house. And they also give us love. So what is their role? Children should also do some duties and help their parents. This would make them happy. Children can do the following duties. So what is your duty in helping your parents and grandparents? That is also important. सगळंच काही पॅरेंट्सनी नाही करायचं. We should also do something for them. Keep things in order. Study and do well in school. Share things with the siblings and friends. Clean and dust the house. Water the plants. Help in the household chores. Bring things from the market, entertain guests. See, so big list is there. So these things you have to do for your parents. सगळ्या वस्तू घरातल्या आपल्या आपल्या जागेवरती ठेवणे, तुमचा अभ्यास तुम्ही करणे. स्टडी अँड डू वेल इन स्कूल, दॅट इज युअर ड्युटी, नॉट युअर पॅरेंट्स ड्युटी. शेअर थिंग्स विथ द सिबलिंग्स, आपल्या छोट्या भावांना, आपल्या मित्रांना आपल्या वस्तू शेअर करणे. माझंच आहे, मी नाही देणार, दिस ॲटिट्यूड शुड नॉट बी देअर. क्लीन अँड डस्ट द हाऊस, घराची स्वच्छता ठेवा. वॉटर द प्लांट्स, झाडांना पाणी घालणे. हेल्प इन हाऊस होल्ड कोर्स, घरातली जी कामं आहेत तिथं मम्मीला पप्पांना मदत करणे. ब्रिंग थिंग्स फ्रॉम मार्केट, येस यू कॅन गो नियर बाय मार्केट विच wherever is there you can go and purchase something. That is a good thing for children. Then entertain guest. Whenever guest comes in the house, you can instead of teasing them, entertain them. So that is also your duty. If every family member does his or her duty properly, the family would run smoothly. Now spending time on a holiday. Yes, this is also important. Whenever we have time, we are together, all the family members are together, we have to spend time. So family members have free time on Sundays and other holidays. Everyone in a relaxed mood. They do the following activities and have fun on holidays. They may play games like Ludo, Chinese, checker, chess, carom. Yes, we can play any game, whatever we are interested. They may also read books, listen to radio, watch the television. Yes, these things we can share with our family. We can do with these things with our family members. Sometimes cousins come over and then the group has fun together. Yes, this is also very happy moment when our cousins come to our home, then you play together. In good weather, the family members can plan outings. Yes, everyone like to go out, means they love to travel. Places like fair, circus, zoo, picnics. Great fun. During the vacation, some families go to a hill station. They may also go to a relative's place. Yes, hill station, everyone like it. The families with grown up children may go for camping, trekking, and other adventurous activities. Yes, you can do adventurous activities when you grow up. You can do such things, trekking and all that. That is also very interesting. So, this was about the lesson. Some points we have discussed in Google Meet, also, we have discussed everything. Also, those who are not able to attend Google Meet because of some technical issues, they can watch the video. So we'll stop here today. Thank you.